Hello dear friends, welcome back to MACS VEDA. In this session, let us discuss the criterion for congruence of triangles. Don't forget these 5 important criteria for congruency. The first one is SAS criterion, side angle side criterion. Second one is ASA criterion, that is angle side angle criterion. Third one is AAS criterion, that is angle angle side criterion. Fourth one is SSS criterion, that is side 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 criterion. And the fifth one is RHS rule or RHS criterion. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse and side criterion. Let us see these criterions one after the other. The first one is side angle side criterion. When two sides and included angle of one triangle are congruent to corresponding two sides and the included angle of the other triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. So consider these two triangles. Two sides of one triangle are congruent to corresponding two sides of the other triangle. So here AB equal to PQ, the corresponding sides, and BC equal to QR. So the corresponding two sides are equal and the included angle between these two sides of one triangle equal to included angle between the corresponding sides of other triangle. That is angle B equal to angle Q. That is in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, side AB is equal to side PQ. This is given. And angle ABC is equal to angle PQR given. And side BC is equal to side QR given. Then we can prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. If these three conditions are satisfied, automatically all the corresponding sides of two triangles are equal and also all the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal. So this is the SAS test. By SAS criterion or SAS test, we can say that two triangles are congruent. Then automatically side AC also equal to side PR and angle A will be equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle R. So if these three conditions are satisfied, automatically remaining three conditions are also satisfied. The next one is ASA criterion, angle side angle criterion. When two angles and included side of one triangle are congruent to corresponding two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. So consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So two angles of one triangle are congruent to corresponding angles of the other triangle. So here angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. And the included side of one triangle are congruent to corresponding included side of the other triangle. So what is the included side? That is BC. Okay. So the side containing these two angles. Okay. That BC is equal to QR. This is what we call it as included side. So the corresponding included sides are also congruent. Then the two triangles are congruent. That is in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q is given and side BC is equal to side QR given, side C is equal to side R is given. Then by ASA criterion or ASA test, the two triangles are congruent. And what happens automatically? The remaining two sides, corresponding sides and corresponding angles are also equal. So if these three conditions are satisfied, automatically the other conditions, that is AB is equal to PQ AC is equal to PR and angle A is equal to angle P also satisfied. SAA criterion, side angles angle criterion. When a side, an angle adjacent to it and the angle opposite to it of one triangle are respectively congruent to corresponding side, an angle adjacent to it and the angle opposite to it of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So here these are the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. A side of one triangle congruent to corresponding side of other triangle. Let us say AB is congruent to PQ, that is AB equal to PQ. An angle adjacent to it. So what is the angle adjacent to it? It may be angle B or angle A. So let us take angle B here. And what is angle adjacent to side PQ? Corresponding angle you have to take, that is Q. These two angles are equal. And what is the angle opposite to this particular side and corresponding angle opposite to the corresponding side? So what is it? Here in the first triangle, angle C, in the second triangle, angle R. If these two angles are equal, then by SAA criterion, these two triangles are congruent. That is, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, side AB is equal to side PQ. That is given. Angle B is equal to angle Q. What is this angle B and angle Q are, sir? These are the angles which are adjacent to this particular side. Okay. And what about the other one? Angle C is equal to angle R. These are the angles opposite to that equal sides. If these are given, then by SAA criterion, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Automatically the other sides, that is BC is equal to QR, AC will be equal to PR and angle A will be equal to angle B. So if these three conditions are satisfied, automatically other three conditions of the congruency are also satisfied. Now the fourth one, SSS criterion, side criterion. When three sides of one triangle are congruent with corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC, triangle PQR, three sides of one triangle are congruent with corresponding three sides of another triangle. That is, side AB is equal to side PQ, side BC equal to side QR, and side AC is equal to side PR. If these three sides, corresponding sides are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, side AB is equal to side PQ given, side BC is equal to side QR given, and side AC is equal to side PR given, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Automatically, the corresponding angles are also equal. Automatically, the corresponding angles also becomes equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So this is your SSS criterion or SSS test. The next one is RHS rule or RHS criterion, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Two right angled triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and a side of one triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other triangle. So here these are two right angle triangles. Automatically they are having right angles. So one angle is equal, that is right angle. And what else? The hypotenuse of one triangle is congruent to hypotenuse of the other triangle. So the corresponding hypotenuse must be equal, that is AC equal to PR. Then a side of one triangle congruent to corresponding side of the other triangle. So here side BC is congruent to or equal to side QR. Then the two triangles becomes congruent. So in the right angle triangle ABC and right angle triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 90 degrees. Because they are right angle triangle, obviously one of the angle must be 90 degrees. So The corresponding 90 degrees angles are B and Q. They are equal. Given. Then hypotenuse AC is equal to hypotenuse PR. That is also given. Side BC is equal to side QR. Also given. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by hypotenuse side test or right angle hypotenuse side test or criterion. Automatically, the other side, that is side AB is equal to side PQ and angle A is equal to angle P. Angle R is equal to, angle C is equal to angle R. Any order you can write. Angle C is equal to angle R or angle R is equal to angle C. Let us follow proper order. Angle C is equal to angle R. So these are the 5 important criterion for congruency. So don't forget side angle side. Angle side angle criterion. Angle angle side criterion. SSS criterion and finally RHS rule or criterion.